right there. He's like right there on sand. What? You head back in the car. You're gonna have to. Oh no! Do not look. Are the data victory going off?
They fell off. They were used so much they just fell off.
No, are they down yet?
They're not going down.
We have one here on the sand. Is there a heli on the end of this yet? On the land! You watch it over here, get it wet! I told you, sand! I told you on the sand trick. Hey, don't look.
What?
You'll see in just a minute.
What is that?
He's like right there.
What?
How far is he of the sound of the engine?
Sound of the engine is about, I guess half a mile.
And the ones here are about to be going off again. What?
Let's see, is it the fucking horn?
Look at that ass. Is there a headlight yet? Look up there. I'll be over here. How far is he? On just an engine. What? He's like just an engine, Daddy. What? Yes. What? Look at it. What? Daddy, get me over there. Look at it. It has no train cars. Look what. Why did they go off here?
I don't know. That sounds like victory.
Yeah, hurry up! Run! No, go over here! To the right! I know what? Right here in the same video!
What?
He's like only a couple engines, what?
What?
What? Look at he's like a couple engines, what?
What?
And the gates are going up in victory already, look what?
What?
Look at it, they're going up already! Look at it, he's backwards engine!
Yes.
Oh, it's like three engines only, look! It's just 3 engines!
Yeah.
Oh no! Why is he going slow? Is he gonna stop?
Look, something's dragging here.
Was it him again?
Yeah.
Was it really? Why is it just engines? Why are they just engines?
Well, I'm not sure.
He may have to pick up a train.
Well, that's true. He's got 3 engines, so.
You know that one?
Yeah.
BNSF always sounds like that.
It does?
Yeah, it's the engine. Where you're like, what?
Yes.
I thought he was gonna end up stopping again.
I know.
You-
Sounded like it.
You thought he was?
I did. He got real slow right here.
Why?
Oh boy, here we go again.
So that's it.